What makes the sound s different from z? Or what about k and g? In this lesson, we'll learn about voiced and voiceless sounds. Understanding this difference will improve your listening and pronunciation skills. It will also help you spell words better. Let's get started. Let's start with a little experiment. Put your fingers on the front part of your neck, where your throat is. With your fingers still on your throat, say the sound of the letter M. Did you notice the buzzing feeling from your throat? The buzzing feeling means that is a voiced sound. When we feel that buzzing or vibration, we are using our voice to make the sound. This symbol represents a voiced sound. Now, keep your fingers on your throat and say the sound of the letter S. 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 Did you notice that buzzing feeling was not there? This is because S is a voiceless sound. When we do not feel that buzzing or vibration, we are making a voiceless sound. This symbol represents a voiceless sound. Each sound in English is either voiced or voiceless. Learning to recognize voiced and voiceless sounds helps us with reading, speaking, listening, and spelling. Let's practice recognizing voiced and voiceless sounds. Again, put your fingers on the front part of your neck, where your throat is. Now say D. D. Is that a voiced or voiceless sound? We can feel the vibration when we say D. So, D is a voiced sound. Let's try another. Say T. T. Is that a voiced or voiceless sound? There is no vibration when we say T. So, T is a voiceless sound. Let's practice. These activities will help you recognize voiced and voiceless sounds. You can do as many of these activities as you want. But to complete this lesson, you need to complete at least one. Select this activity to identify sounds as voiced or voiceless. In this activity, you will hear several sounds. For each sound, decide whether it is voiced or voiceless. Then click on either the voiced or voiceless symbol. Z, z. Correct. V, v. Correct. Well done. Ah, ah. That's correct. Eh. That's correct. J. This is the correct answer. P. Very good. Sh. You did it. Ch. Good job. F. Good. You have completed all the required activities. Select this activity to sort sounds into voiced or voiceless groups. In this activity, you will hear a sound and see its letters. Decide whether the sound is voiced or voiceless. Then drag the letter to the correct column. K. That's correct. P. Very good. B. Very good. Right. Ah. That's right. D. Have another try. Great. Ch. Nice work. Great job. T. Nice. G. Well done. Remember, voiced sounds make a vibration when we say them. Voiceless sounds do not. Let's move on.